The Rimac Nevera is an all-electric sports car designed and manufactured by the Croatian automotive manufacturer Rimac Automobili. The car is technologically capable of level 4 of autonomous driving, with full advanced driver assistance systems. If connected to a fast charger, it can be recharged to 80% in less than 30 minutes. The Nevera allegedly has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 97 km per hour in 1.85 seconds, making it potentially the fastest accelerating production car in the world. According to Rimac Automobili, it will accelerate from 0 to 161 km per hour in 4.3 seconds, 0 to 299 km per hour in 9.3 seconds, and has a top speed of 412 km per hour or 256 miles per hour.